My fabulous 129. Welcome to another DIY video. Now, today's DIY video is going to be a little bit different. I'm definitely not going to finish the product on camera, but I'm in the midst of assembling my backdrop for my first ever music video, Hiding Memories. And I just wanted to show you a little bit of that process. I'm going to try to do a time lapse and a little bit here of that. So yeah, before I do the time lapse, I have to locate the double-sided tape because, someone else used it besides me, so I have to find out where that is, and then I can do the time lapse. I don't know if I'm going to do it in a few minutes or a few hours from now, but yeah, I have my creator workshop that I'm going to virtually at 3, and then right after that I have the D'Amelio Sisters Q&A that I'm doing. That's also virtual. These are all VidCon things, if you're new here or have just wandered back onto my channel. And then, tomorrow, I've already pre-filmed the video for tomorrow, so I won't have to film tomorrow. But you're still getting a video tomorrow, so look out for that. And I'm just gonna go chill and maybe fold some laundry, maybe try to find the tape, all those good things. I'll be back later with the time lapse. So yeah, see you then. In just a minute here, I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to get this on the tripod, but I'm also kind of using it as a clothes drying thing, so we'll see how that works out. But yeah, first of all, welcome to my floor. There's not really a good angle to do this at because there's just not, because of how tall this is. So yeah, I did flip it around and make it shorter in height, but yeah, it's still too tall for the frame in the camera, so I'm gonna have to get creative with my angles, and hopefully you guys see something with this time lapse. So yeah. Since you can't really see what I'm doing, I'm going to just kind of explain a little bit here. So right here on the bottom of, I don't know, you probably cannot see it, on the bottom of this picture I have a large piece of double-sided tape, and then on the outside, just to make sure the pictures stay together, I have a piece of just like clear Scotch tape, just regular. So now when I take these down, I'm gonna be leaving that on there because I've had these pictures for a while and a lot of them are kind of coming apart, so I'm gonna leave that there so that they'll last a little bit longer. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and just slide the fishing line right in between the pictures and just slide it on there and press down a little bit. You don't want to press down too hard if you do this yourself, because if you press the picture down too hard, you just want to lightly press it together at the bottom. But if you do this too hard, I know this from experience, the pigment in the picture tends to turn green or yellow or whatever when you do that. So, yeah. Just a little thing for you. Little fun fact for you while I'm doing this. So, yeah, we're just going to take this other piece of tape and put it on the other side, like so. And then fold it over. Now, I probably will, now these petals are falling as I'm putting these on here, so yeah, that's a thing that's happening. I'm gonna go finish this up, and I'm not gonna time-lapse the rest of this because, well, when I stand up, you're not gonna be able to see it because I couldn't find a way to get the tripod over here to where I need it. So I'll see you in the next clip. So yeah, see you then. So this is how far I got. I am eventually going to have to get more film, but I looked through my scrapbook box again, and I found almost enough pictures to do one more of these strands that you see hanging here. So I have 2 in the camera that I haven't taken yet. I'm about 2 pictures short for this one right here. And then, so yeah, I won't need to use as many new pictures as I was thinking. So I just need to, basically what happened to a lot of the pictures, like some of them were ripped, and then there's a lot of the, then some of them have writing on them on the back, and I can't use those for this because it just doesn't look that clean. But for the ones that just had like a sticker residue or, you know, something like that on the back where paper ripped off of it, I figured out that I can color it in with a black Sharpie and it will look just fine. So I just have to find a black Sharpie and do that. And then I'll be able to start on this one. Because, yeah, also, I tried to do all white frames, but I just didn't have enough white ones, so like when I did my 21st birthday party with, like, an 80s theme, I have a picture that didn't quite turn out that I'm going to be using as part of this. It was just like a tester that ended up being a dud, but it'll be fine for this because I'm just gonna be having the back side of the picture on display, so it doesn't look like a picture of anything, but it'll be fine for this little project. So yeah, it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm figured it'd be fine from a distance. And it also means that when I get new film, I won't have to use as many pictures and I'll have film left over. So, yay for that. Love that. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was kind of a mess. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And other things you can do are check out my links down in the description below. The first of which is for my affiliate with So Sick Clothing. There's a promo code through them that will get you 15% off site-wide. That promo code is ElGrace15. And there's also a promo code for my merch store that will get you 20% off your order through September 13th, 2020. That promo code is cool for school. And the rest of my links are my website, my social media, all those good little things. Thank you for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous.